What is up, you guys? My name is Keith. Welcome back to another vlog. Today, guys, we are ending it right where we left off before, kind of, but another day later because I never ended the vlog from the other vlog, so we're ending it now. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And yeah, now we're here, so cool. I got another surprise for Amber. Surprise number 2.
So look at the next vlog.
So watch this one.
This one. No,
Yeah,
but this is
the next one.
in the other one.
I did end it. I just cut it. Whatever.
Okay.
I don't know what I'm doing. But we're going out. Sorry, babe. We're going out, and it's cold, and it starts in like 15-20 minutes. So we're getting there. It's gonna be fun. A surprise for you. Hope you like it, babe. Let's go and see what's up. Okay, guys, so we're walking to the surprise. We're uptown now. Well, it's not really a surprise anymore because on the way here, my nan was talking to my aunt on the phone, and she was like, "Oh yeah, we're going uptown because we're gonna drop off blah 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 and go to the train." Cool.
I just looked at Keith and I'm like,
so that
she
kind
said what?
of, yeah, she was like, so yeah, that kind of sucks. But she doesn't know what it is. It's really cool. I'll explain it kind of while we're doing it if we can hear good. What? Guys, free hot chocolate inside. Adult hot chocolate inside too. We'll do that later. Okay. Okay, when we get cold. Okay, guys, so we're going here. The train gets here in about 10-ish minutes or so. So yeah, we'll show you guys the cool stuff. So this, I know there's a bunch of people. That's the whole point, babe. There's a bunch of people. So
How is it special train?
it's a special train. You just have to figure out when we get here. There's fire. We should probably do that. Hopefully you guys can see it. It's really dark. And I don't have a good lens for this. Wow. We're gonna go by the fire. By the fire. Or just wherever we can get a spot to see. Oh, we this way. Go this way. Go that way. Is you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah? Why are you excited? Because it's just crazy looking. So yeah, Amber's not used to this type of stuff, so we'll see. We just need to get a good spot. Over there. Okay. A doggo. They asked if it was like the Polar Express and it was like Sandland. It's not like Sandland. It doesn't take you to a magical place, babe, in the storybook. Sorry. But it's okay. I've never done this, and she's never done this. So it's gonna be pretty cool. So hopefully we have some fun. And it's cold. You excited, man? Yeah, you excited? So many people. Alright, guys, do the toots, babe.
Take a look at the
Amber still has no idea what's happening. I don't really know either, but we'll find out. There's people. We're like super close to the train now. I see a drone, a spotted drone.
Go gliding in one place, so seagulls pick at a feet, single around the clock. Sun never sets, hold your hand.
dogs just smacked everybody in the face. I don't know if you guys can hear us. That was a lot of fun. Did you enjoy that? We gotta go find, what the fuck is the road? We gotta go this way and find hot chocolate, because there's a place that we can find hot chocolate, so we're gonna go do that now. If we can get through all of this. What happens if they run out of hot chocolate? I don't know. Look at the pretty lights. Ooh, I love the lights. I love the lights. I love the hello. It's my girlfriend.
Trying to warm up.
Her chin is freezing. That's okay. It's okay. We'll be fine. We'll be fine. We'll be warm soon. I can't feel my feet, but it's fine. We walked by the place and they were open, but the sign was gone for the free hot chocolate. Okay, so I found another person to ask for the phone because my phone died again. So that sucked. We didn't get hot chocolate, which is double suck, but the band was pretty cool. Also, Amber said that we found one light, and this is how we don't get kidnapped. Hi.
Died again.
And her camera died. Third sucked.
I'm gonna have to steal your clips.
He's gonna steal some of my clips. That's okay. He can edit them differently.
Yeah.
Look how cute you look. Oh, that lens flare though. Oh my god. Yeah, it's like 20 degrees, negative -7 Celsius. Brrr, it's cold. Meow.
I'm already cold, do not. Babe. Stop.
Jesus. She's ninjutsu child. I don't know what she was doing. Just don't be nice to me. The snow's not even sticky anymore. It was amazing earlier tonight. The snow was sticky, it was nice. You could build a snowman. We were gonna build a snowman, and then we ended up not building a snowman because we were doing some other stuff. Oh, it's streaming. That's what we did.
But your man's driving super slow.
She's probably driving super slow, yeah.
She drives like 10 under the speed limit no matter where she is and forgets to signal and answers the phone.
God. We made it home safe. We're gonna watch movies now, which should be pretty cool. I'm excited for movies and cuddles and just and yummy cookies
and chippies
and chippies and all the good stuff. But I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. That was a lot of fun. That was the very first time I've ever done the Canadian Pacific fun run train thing, whatever it was called. Concert awesomeness. Winterness, awesome coolness. She froze her chin off, but it's warm now. I froze my feetsies off. That's why I have sockies on. You're like, no, don't show my feetsies. I have sockies on. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the vlog, smash a like on the video. We love you guys so much. Put a big smiley face. Have an awesome night, guys, and we'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Bye-bye, everybody.